This is our happy place. We come here to unwind, relax, and just celebrate the natural beauty of coastal Maine. Hi, I'm Loy.
Hi, and I'm Tom.
Welcome to our home. Tom and I had an antique store for many years. We also do interior design work.
And everybody in town knows us as the house with the hydrangea hedge. We have a home in Annapolis, Maryland, and we have been spending more and more time each summer here in Castine. It's a transition from something that's more traditional to something that's fresh, that's vibrant and alive with our connection to the outdoors here. The inspiration for the color palette in our home is really the color palette of coastal Maine. It's the sky, the sea, those coastal blues.
The foggy days where it's really gray.
Yeah, so it's just a natural fit with the palette that Serena Lily has created.
We love Serena and Lily's modern interpretations of the classics. Many of the pieces feel familiar yet fresh and fits in beautifully in coastal Maine. We love the Yarmouth swivel chair. The braiding around the edges reminds us of the antique chairs that you often see in old homes. We have this Bruce Street slipcover chair in the shirting stripe perennials fabric. It's so summery and so relaxed. We wanted a room to really connect our home to the outside, whether it's the sea or the garden, and a lot of the furniture in here reflects that passion. The fabric, for instance, on the Barton sofa is the artichoke, which has a very sort of garden print. In a corner of our sunroom, we have our topiaries on an antique rattan table, and the Sunwashed Riviera chairs look wonderful with it. There's a contrast between the old faded rattan and that beautiful Sunwashed blue. Our home is layered with things we love and collect, and we want everyone to be comfortable, including our dogs. So it's really important for us to have things that are low maintenance, such as performance fabrics, slip covers, natural textures that wear better with age.
I really like the Hillsborough hand-knotted rug. It stands up to wear and tear. We entertain a lot in this room.
And our two dogs,
our two dogs,
they play on it, and we don't
they come
have
in
to worry about it.
from the outside. This is the first room they come into, and it just holds up very well. We love how our sunroom is the perfect indoor-outdoor space. It's sort of a seamless transition from the interior of the old house, if you will, to the outdoors with the terrace, the garden, and obviously the sea. The reason I chose the Chalk Hill dining table is the organic look of it. It's got the faux bois finish and just fits beautifully with the natural landscape.
And I love the Outdoor Riviera collection chairs. They're so comfortable, and the fog color looks gorgeous with the terrace. We love to decorate our tables with whatever's blooming in the garden. It's a mix of this, it's a mix of that.
It's sort of a Maine thing, if you will, using stones as part of your decor. A natural progression is it's windy outside when we're dining al fresco, and we use those as weights for the napkins. Not only is functional, but it's a nice take on a Maine tradition. The house is comfortable. Obviously, our furnishings are very comfortable, and we're at ease. We enjoy this house with family and friends. It's a place for gathering, social events, and just unwinding and sharing.